In this video, I wanted to look at our exciting forthcoming title, Advances in Integrated Weed Management, which is edited by Professor Per Kudsk of Aarhus University in Denmark. Part 1 looks at weed ecology, Part 2 looks at intelligent weed control technologies, and Part 3 has a series of case studies. Well, to give you a better idea of the book, I picked out a couple of chapters to look at in more detail. The first from Part 1 is Chapter 3 on Advances in Managing Arable Weed Propagules by Barbel Garavitz of the University of Rostock, Germany, and Barbara Baribar of the University of Lleida in Spain. The chapter looks at the challenges of managing inactive weed propagules, which can both be particularly difficult to eradicate but ensure weed survival from one year to the next. It looks at the various ways of dealing with propagules at crop harvest, for example through weed crushing and milling, weed seeds left on the soil surface, which can be dealt with through seed predation, and weed propagules in the soil matrix through weed seed decay and mechanical destruction of ramets. The second chapter I wanted to pick out is from Part 2 and is Chapter 8 on developing decision support systems for weed management by Panagiotis Kanatis, the University of Patras, Greece, and Elias Travlos and a team from the Agricultural University of Athens, also in Greece of course. As the chapter shows, decision support systems can set thresholds for intervention which can significantly reduce herbicide use and resistance. Decision support systems can be used both for resistance and enabling long-term sustainable management of a broad spectrum of weed species. Well, I'll conclude, if I may, by quoting Professor Stephen Duke of the University of Mississippi in the USA. And he's been kind enough to comment as follows about the book. With the evolution and spread of herbicide-resistant weeds, as well as the spread of invasive weeds and new weed challenges with climate change, weed management is becoming increasingly problematic. This volume provides information and insight from a group of distinguished experts on new approaches to tackling these problems with integrated weed management. I look forward to its publication. Well, this is a title we'd love to see and hope you will too.